story of the fabulous snack called Cinderella's slipper. As in fairy tale narration, this story begins with, once upon a time there was, or better, there were consumers looking for the perfect snack. The perfect snack to dip in delicious, spicy, salty or sweet sauces. The supermarkets were filled with a wide variety of snacks, but none of them could combine these three elements: capacity for high quantities of sauce, clean consuming, not to get dirty fingers, versatile tastes and ingredients. The love between sauces and snacks seemed impossible, until the arrival of the perfect snack. But differently from fairy tales, where everything lives in the narrator's imagination, the perfect snack is real, and it is produced here, in Gaia, in the business unit Pasta, Extrusion and Milling Technologies.
We intercepted a market trend that is pretty established and widespread, and we improved it, made it more powerful, easily replicable and customizable, in order to translate it into reality for the consumers of the entire world.
Since many years in Gaia, we have been developing snacks that can contain food and sauces from all over the world. Golgappa in India, tortilla chips in Mexico. Every country has its peculiarities in consumption, and in Gaia we collected the information we had, and we condensed it in a never-seen-before shape.
The technology and know-how were already at our disposal. The idea was the only thing that we were missing. We started by looking for a spoon, and we found a slipper. And that's how Cinderella's slipper was born. This is the result of the addition of the company's technological progress, the continuous development of machinery, and the ability of promptly replying to market requests.
The shape of the slipper was the design that everybody needed without knowing it already. The tip is perfect to contain every kind of sauce. The heel allows to dip every slipper without getting the fingers dirty. The sinuosity of the curves allows to donate to this snack an elegant touch, worthy of a fairy tale's princess.
Thanks to constant research and studies on raw materials that are conducted every day in the analytical laboratory here in GaiaPAM, we defined the most used recipes in the world and redesigned them to adapt them to the new format, Cinderella slipper. Differently from the fairy tale slipper, which was fitting only Cinderella, our slipper can be produced with any kind of raw material to adapt it to any alimentary regimen or taste need.
From traditional flours to the high-protein legume ones, the Cinderella slippers reach the highest versatility in our production lines and allow us to act directly on the process parameters in order to obtain different consistencies and dimensions.
Cinderella's slipper, in fact, can be produced in different formats. Classic with smooth sheet, perforated to make it softer and more chewable, ribbed to improve its crunchiness, XL for the greediest, or fat-free. We started our story with consumers looking for the perfect snack to be dipped in sauces. In Gaia, we developed Cinderella's slipper with the goal of producing a fabulous and innovative snack which could give to snack and sauces the happy ending that everyone dreams of, which is, and they lived happily ever after.